Are you getting sick of other videos telling you the same side hustle ideas over and over again? Affiliate marketing, selling a course, or even starting a YouTube channel. It's always the same. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 completely new ideas that has the potential to make tens of thousands of dollars every single month. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first side hustle that can make millions of dollars and is something that we are all familiar with is to become a Nigerian prince. Wait. Sorry, wrong script. Jokes aside, the first side hustle that we are going to talk about is to become a website flipper. This is a bit similar like buying a used house, giving it some renovations and selling it for a higher price. But the only difference is that we are doing it with websites. Flipping a website can give you 24 times to 36 times the monthly income. That means you can take 2 to 3 years worth of profits upfront. To make things clear for you, if you have a website that's generating $1,000 a month, now you can sell it for about $24,000 up to $36,000. And this is considered the low range because there are websites out there that are selling for millions of dollars. And now let me show you some examples. And now I'm on a website called Empire Flippers. They have a lot of websites listed for sale. Let's take a look at the websites here. This website is priced at nearly $900,000. And you can see the cheapest website they have is $31,000. Wow. And they even have this website that's selling for $7 million and at a multiple for 58 times. Wow. Maybe I should stop doing YouTube videos. And you can see they have a lot of websites. And you know what's amazing about this? Here they have a sales success rate. This is 86%. It means that 86% of the websites that are listed get sold. Based on what I have shown you, prices of these websites are not cheap and yet they are being sold. If you can create these websites and flip them, you don't have to worry about finding a buyer. Another good thing about website flipping is that you can collect 2 to 3 years of profits upfront. And if you can get that money up front, you can take that money early on and reinvest in new projects. Maybe you want to buy a new website and flip it again. The things that goes into a successful website is always the same. It's always backlinks, SEO, articles. They might change a little with every Google update, but in the end, it's always the same essence. You can probably automate the entire process. Once you get so good at this, you are like a money printing machine. Now let's talk about how much you need to get started. This is one of the cheaper options. You can start with below $100. You can buy hosting, you can buy a domain name. You can slowly try to learn things like keyword research, how to rank on Google. But if you have the budget, I do recommend you to buy an existing site that has been making money for a few years. You can actually get a head start over everybody else. If you can increase the amount of money that the website is making in the next few months, you can directly flip the website for immediate profit. Now let's talk about the next side hustle, which is to become a funnel designer. To show you what a funnel is, I'm going to show you the simplest type of funnel. This is called an opt-in funnel where you enter your name, your email address to get something in return. For a single page email funnel, you can charge about $100 to maybe even $1,000. And this is just the simplest type of funnel. There are a lot of funnels out there. The software company that I recommend would be Clickfunnels. There are a lot of similar software companies out there, but I chose Clickfunnels for a few reasons. That is why I'm going to share with you today. Funnels can be quite expensive depending on how complex it is and how good you are. If you are really good, you can charge a higher price. And now let me show you some examples of people actually selling these funnels. Now I'm on Fiverr.com and you can see that this guy builds amazing funnels in Clickfunnels and lead pages. But I believe that a lot of people are using Clickfunnels nowadays. You can see here that the opt-in and lead funnel is $115. And let's see the standard package. The sales funnel is $175. Premium package $300. Wow. And this is on Fiverr. There are people out there with their own website that charges a lot higher than this. But other than that, let me tell you why you should start on Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels has a user base of over 100,000 active users. The cheapest plan on Clickfunnels is $99 a month and it can go up to $2,000 a month. And think about it, these people are business owners. Most of them are trying to generate more marketing, more sales. A lot of business owners, when they spend this money, they don't view it as an expense, they view it as an investment. When they think of it as an investment, they are more willing to spend money on it. and this creates an opportunity for you to sell them funnels. And not everyone wants to build their own funnels, because there are some people who are too busy and they just want someone to do it for them. They just want the results, and if you can deliver on that, then you can make some money. Now let's talk about how much money that you need to start. I would say $1,000 would ensure a smooth sailing journey. What $1,000 comprises of is buy a few months of software and education that's needed. There are a few resources to actually learn about funnels. The first one will be a course by Clickfunnels called The One Funnel Way. Second resource that I would recommend would be to get the Trilogy book set. Let me show you. So these are the books by Clickfunnels, and I really recommend this book to everyone, even if you don't plan to become a funnel designer. It gave me a new way of how to see marketing. If you're interested, do check out the description box. Now let me take a moment to thank the sponsor of this video, me. Yeah, you heard it right, nobody is sponsoring this video. But if you found the content of this video helpful so far, make sure to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. That way you can help more people to find this video. Now let's talk about the third side hustle idea, that is to become an eToro popular investor. eToro popular investor, you can think of it as a mini hedge fund manager. All you have to do is let other people copy your trades and investments that you make on eToro, such as in stocks, cryptos or forex. But the most popular option that I've seen is actually stocks. People can allocate their money to copy your trades, and the more funds you manage, the more money that you will make. Now let me show you how much you can make as a popular investor. Now you can see there are 4 levels. If you can reach champion level, which means that you are managing $50,000 of other people's money, you can receive $400 or $800 a month. And if you get to elite level, which means that you are managing $500,000 of other people's money, it means that you can get 1.5 or 2%. So let's do the math here. If you manage $500,000, that's $10,000. Let's see the next level, Elite Pro. The minimum to reach this level is $10 million. If you take $10 million, multiply it by 2.5%, that is $250,000 a year. There are actually quite a lot of people at the Elite level and the Elite Pro level. And the popular investor I'm copying right now, she is on the Elite Pro level and she is managing about $20 million, and that gives her $500,000 a year. You might not be earning this amount in the next few weeks or in the next year, but if you really put in the effort, I see this as an achievable goal. Think of it as a long-term business instead of a short-term business. If you are already involved in the financial markets, then this would be the best choice for you. This could be an additional side income with not much extra work. But if you are new to this path may take a longer time compared to the first 2 methods that I gave you. You have to learn it and apply it. But the problem is, once you apply it, the stock market doesn't move instantly. You have to wait. And now let me tell you why I think being a popular investor on eToro is a good idea. The first reason is the number of users on eToro is increasing. It currently stands at 20 million, but it is actively growing. They have been constantly launching marketing campaigns. I'm seeing them everywhere in advertisements, I'm seeing them on YouTube, banner ads, everywhere. They are putting a lot of budget into marketing, and this means there will be a lot more users going onto eToro. This is a good opportunity for you. Now let's talk about the second reason, the snowball effect. Being a popular investor on eToro, your trading information would be fully transparent. They can see your trading history, your win rate, your drawdowns. That is why if you can constantly get good results, and people can see that you have gotten good results for the past year, past 2 years, they will start copying you because they start to trust you. And when people see that your number of copiers are starting to grow, they have this fear of missing out, and they will also copy you. And that is why once you get the ball rolling, it rolls even faster. Now let's talk about how to get started. You can sign up on eToro, put in $1,000 to trade. If you have good performance for a few months, they will invite you to join their popular investor program. But if you are new to investing and want to learn, you can start by brushing up your skills by watching YouTube videos. There are a lot of good channels out there like Adam Khoo or Rainer Teo. And what I would recommend is to stay away from channels that constantly say that they are going to the moon. And if you want to succeed with eToro, I would say stick to the channels that are still on Earth. That's all for today. I hope you like the 3 ideas. These are ideas that I have considered doing myself. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. Stay happy. I'll see you in my next video.